Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Flegner, and today in Writer's Workshop we're going to talk about quotes. So what is a quote? Well, a quote is the important words that somebody says. It usually has quotation marks at the beginning and the end of the words. When we include quotes in your biography, you can really bring the person to life that you're talking about. Here are some examples of what a quote could look like. So here's one example. This quote says, "Kid, you'll move mountains." And this is a quote by Dr. Seuss. I know that because his name is at the bottom. This quote does not have quotation marks around it, and that's okay. We still know who said the quote because his name is underneath it. Now this quote actually does have quotation marks around it, so let's see. It says, "There's no person in the whole world like you, and I like you just the way you are, Mr. Rogers." So again, this is also a quote, but this quote actually does have quotation marks around it. Both of them have the person's name at the bottom. That's how we know who says the quote. So today in Writer's Workshop, we are going to start to work on adding a quote to our biographies. So if you open up your book after you log into Book Creator, remember that blue circle with the blue pencil inside, that's going to help you to edit your report. So you're going to turn to the page that says, important quote from the person. Now, you only need to have one quote, but if you want to have two, that's fine as well. Don't do anything more than two quotes. That's going to be too many things on one page. So here's how you can add a quote to your biography. You're going to, again, just like we did yesterday when we looked for a photograph for the cover of our book, you're going to click the plus sign and you're going to click import. So here's the first way that you can add a quote. So just like we did yesterday, you're going to search for your person, but this time at the end, you're going to put quote. So some of these are quotes by Michelle Obama and some of them aren't. So just be careful that when you do choose the picture that it is a quote by the person that you chose. So there's not really a lot of choices, but I did like this quote, so I'm going to click on it and click select, and then there it goes right into your story. So that's one way that we can add a quote to our biography. There's another way you can do it, and it does require a few more steps. If you need help with this, please let me know. So one way that you can do this is you can go on the internet and search for a quote by the person that you are researching. All I did was I went onto Google and I searched for Michelle Obama quote. These were all of the things that came up. Now here, there's a lot more choices for you to pick from. So you may want to actually go onto Google and look for a quote that way. So I found this quote that I really liked from her, and the way that you can save this so you can put it into your story is you're going to right click and you're going to come up with a couple of choices, and one of them is going to say save image as. So you're going to click it and save the picture to your computer. Then you're going to come back to your biography on Book Creator. You're going to click the plus sign again and you're going to click import. But this time, instead of doing a Google image search, you're actually going to click over here and click add files. And I'm going to search for Michelle Obama and see what comes up on my computer, because I know that I saved my picture of her to the computer. So I found the quote that I saved onto my computer that I want to use. So I'm going to double click it. That means click it twice. And then there's your quote. So again, today we learned two ways that we can add a quote from a person into our story. We can add a quote by pressing the plus sign and going to import and looking for a picture on Google Images from there. We also learned how we can save a photo and put it into our biography that way as well. If you have any questions about this or you need help finding a good quote from your person, please let me know. Happy writing!